Welcome, in front of me I have TCL 20SE, and today I will show you how fingerprint sensor works in this smartphone. And we can find sensor on the back. So let's make a few tries. Let's see how it performs. I linked this finger. So let's go. Okay, so as you can see, it's reliable right now, after that few tries. This fingerprint sensor recognizes my fingerprint every time. And also, we can say, maybe it's not the fastest sensor that you can find, but it works not that bad. So, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.